Hello everyone, my name is Arvi. I am studying in PP2 in First grade Intellitas Preschool. Now I will share you national symbols of India. Our national fruit is mango. It's so delicious. Our national flower is lotus. It's so beautiful and it grows in water. Our national bird is peacock. It's so beautiful and colorful. Our national animal is tiger. Our national flag is Tiranga. It has 3 colors: saffron, white, green. It has Ashoka Chakra in middle. Our national anthem is Jana Gana Mana. While singing this song, you should not move. What is our national motto? Do you know? Our national motto is Satyameva Jayate. Jai Hind. Thank you everyone. I love my country.